from this comment that there is a problem in the book page where unregistered book are also being requested. So if we actually try to modify it like this, in the book section book page here in this form, if we actually give any of the book ID, it will be requested even if the book is not actually inside our table, book table. So if you actually go to the database and see the book request page, inside the book page you see that there is 6 book here, and if you go to the request information, so request information, here you will see that there is a request for book ID number 7, but there is no such book actually inside this library. So to prevent this kind of request from here, we need to actually modify our query a bit. So inside the books.php page from our student side, we will first find the form where we have actually used this request button, and it's not in this form. Let's go to the next one. Here you can see the request button, and here we will actually modify this form. So the button name is submit 1, so we need to find the submit 1 button from this query. Here you can see in this if condition there is actually our submit 1 button. So here we will actually add another condition, another if condition. So after this first if condition for checking the session variable, then we will start our second if condition, and after this PHP tag we will end it, and then our else condition. So this will actually check if the book is available in our library or not. And if the book is not available, then we will actually show a message in this script tag. So let me just copy this alert from here, and we will modify this one, and we will write something different here. The book is not available in library. You can show any other message if you want to show. Okay, so this will happen if the book is not registered in our books table from our database. So for that we need to actually check if that book is actually registered or not. So for that we will check inside this table, and we will select all the variable from there, and we will count how many actually results are matching with that book ID. So here first one, we need to write our query. So here $SQL1 is our variable, and then MySQL I _ query, then our $db variable, and after this we will write our query inside the second quotation. So the column name is BID, and this field we need to actually find the field name also from that form. So first let's write the column name. BID will be equal, inside a single quotation we need to write $_post, and then inside third bracket we need to give the name of our input from that form. So here is our submit 1 button, and the input name is actually BID, as you can see from there. So let's write inside this one BID. So that is how we are actually getting all the values from our books table with that ID name, ID number, and then we will actually fetch all the data if we want to do something with this data. Then we will count them.